Hi, I'm President Bruce Cush, and I love Ensign College. It truly is a unique place where you can pursue affordable and flexible programs that help you build personal connections and develop real-world skills. And all of this is done in an environment where your faith and discipleship are developed and nurtured. We're all about real skills, real faith, and your future. So come with me. Let's take a look. I love that since our inception in 1886, we have always been career-focused. We only teach skills that lead to jobs. In 1920, that meant shorthand and typing. Today, it looks more like cybersecurity, business management, digital marketing, and other programs that are in high demand. In the Ensign College experience, we provide our students with hands-on opportunities through a project-based curriculum.
Hey Preston, look at this.
And in all our programs, including general education, we help students develop the critical soft skills employers say they need graduates to have. I love seeing students discover that they can do more than they ever thought possible. Ensign College is located in the heart of downtown Salt Lake City, which means we're within walking distance of Temple Square, where we attend weekly devotionals at the Conference Center. We gather with friends, instructors, and colleagues to be spiritually fed and uplifted, and it's the highlight of the week. Our mission is to develop capable and trusted disciples of Jesus Christ. This happens not only at devotionals, but is woven into every aspect of an Ensign College education and experience. Students love being in a place where the Holy Ghost can testify of truth with secular topics as well as the doctrines of the gospel of Jesus Christ. I've heard students say just how much it means to them that every class begins with prayer. Everything we do at Ensign College is designed to prepare you to create a better future for yourself and for your family. From our unique approach to teaching and learning to our powerful connection with businesses and industry, Ensign is tooled to help you qualify for a great first job and become equipped with the skills and experience you need to build a remarkable career. You may be a first-generation college student starting your first semester. You may be a returning learner who's coming back to school after some time away. Or you may already have a job you love, but you need to develop some new skills that will allow you to accelerate your career. A degree or certificate from Ensign College will help you achieve your goals. So there's just so much to love about Ensign College. So if you have questions, please visit our website at ensign.edu. But we'd really love to have you visit us in person and take a tour. Come to our campus in downtown Salt Lake City, where we know you'll feel the spirit of this remarkable institution for yourself. I'm confident you'll see how Ensign College is focused on real skills, real faith, and your future. And I hope to see you right here very soon.